Esther from Eslashes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove grown out lash extensions for a fill. So when I first started doing lash extension fills, I wasn't sure how to remove those grown out lashes. So in this tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to remove those so you can get those out of the way so that you can apply fresh new lashes for your beautiful lash fill. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do now that we have the eye pads on, we have the tape on, everything's primed, everything's prepped, is we want to start filing through using both of our tweezers and looking for grown out lash extensions. Any of the ones that are fairly grown out will need to be removed and replaced with brand new lash extensions. This is so that they're not going to be twisted and pulling and turning around. Now you want to make sure that you're using one tweezer to hold on to that extension and one tweezer to hold on to that natural lash. So you're actually going to need to use both of your tweezers to remove these lash extensions. Make sure that you're holding on really nicely and securely to that natural lash and that you're not pulling or tugging on it at all. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that here. So this is the peel back method that we're using. So you use one tweezer to grab on that natural lash, the other to grab on the extension, and you peel it back just like a banana peel. So they actually pop right off when you do it this way. You want to make sure again that you're not pulling at the natural lash at all. So you want a good secure grip on that natural lash, a good secure grip on that extension, and you just peel it back and it pops right off. So you want to continue to do that on both eyes throughout the entire process, just removing any of the grown out ones. Now, if they're a little bit too grown out, you can actually peel them back from the base of that extension rather than from the top of it. But either way, it's going to be like a banana peel where you're peeling it back. So see how that just peels back and pops right off. So once you've completed this on all the grown out lash extensions, then you're ready to go back in and start applying lashes just like you would on a new set on all healthy lashes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section below. And if you liked this video and you want to see more lash videos like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.